You're dreaming. You're definitely just dreaming right now. Or maybe you're not dreaming. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Ugh. Ow. Ow. Where am I? This is not my room. I'm in the game. I'm actually inside the game.
Finally, the wait is over. Now everyone can create videos using Seedance 2.0 without any limitations or restrictions. Today, I'll show you how to create long videos using Seedance 2.0, where your character remains consistent in every scene, and each scene connects smoothly with the next. Most importantly, I'll teach you how to create powerful Seedance prompts. For that, I'll be using Claude, which helps you unlock the full potential of this model. And yes, I'll also show you a free method to use Seedance 2.0, so make sure you pay very close attention. And without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is called Higgsfield AI, is an all-in-one AI platform, and recently, they've added Seedance 2.0 standard and fast modes. Now you can access them with all plans, along with unlimited generation. Yes, you heard that right, you can generate unlimited videos using Seedance 2.0. Now you might be thinking, why use Higgsfield? I recommend using Higgsfield for Seedance 2.0 because it gives you everything in one place: image generators, video generators, audio tools, and many other AI tools. Plus, Higgsfield launches new AI features almost every week, so you stay ahead in the AI race and get access to the latest tools first. They also share ready-made Seedance 2.0 examples that you can watch and even recreate using the same prompts. On top of that, they've created one of the first AI series using Seedance 2.0. You should definitely check it out. As we all know, Seedance 2.0 handles complex motion, interactions, and real-world behavior with a level of consistency that finally makes AI video reliable. That's exactly why it's breaking the internet right now. So the first thing you need to do is click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Then click on Seedance 2.0 and it will take you to the generation page. So first of all, we need prompts. For that, I'm using Claude. I wrote a simple prompt, as you can see, because I want to create videos similar to the Jumanji movie. The idea can come from anywhere, so just ignore any spelling errors. After that, Claude generates detailed prompts for my videos, including prompts for my character's clothing as well. Using those prompts, I generated this image, which I'll use to keep my character consistent across all scenes. I also created this character sheet for better face consistency. So now, I have all the prompts ready, and they even include dialogues. To be honest, Claude adds every single detail into the prompts, which makes the process much easier. After that, head over to Higgsfield. So first of all, upload your reference images. The first time, Higgsfield will show you a media upload agreement. Make sure you only use faces that you have the rights to use. In simple words, don't create videos using Hollywood characters or famous celebrities. Then confirm and click Agree and Continue. After that, upload your character sheet and reference clothing images. As you can see, they've been checked, and my reference images are eligible, so I can create videos using them. Next, enter the prompt that I generated with the help of Claude. Then select the model. You can choose Seedance 2.0 standard or fast mode. I'll select standard mode. Now choose the video duration, aspect ratio, and resolution, then click Generate. And here is the result.
Yes, 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 come on, come on! Last level. I've been stuck on this for 3 days. Today is the day.
As you can see, the result is amazing. The lip sync, character face, and clothing are 100% accurate to the references, with no unusual movements. Now, if you want to create a long video with consistent scenes and characters, here's what you need to do. Take a screenshot of the last scene from your previous video and use it as a reference image. Then, include this line in your prompt. Use the attached reference image as the exact first frame. Match character position, pose, facial expression, lighting, environment, camera angle, and outfit details precisely. Continue the scene seamlessly from this frame. After that, select the video duration. I recommend checking your prompt. If you feel the scene needs more time, Go for 15 seconds. Then select the aspect ratio and resolution, click Generate, and here is the result.
What the? Hey, why is the power flickering? Not now, man. I was literally about to finish this. भाई, ये कैसा तूफान आ गया अचानक?
As you can see, the second video starts exactly where the first one ended. When you play both videos together, it looks like a single continuous video, not merged at all. So, using the same steps, I generated all these videos. As you can see, I've also shown the reference images and prompts I used. All these videos are created using Seedance 2.0, and the best part is, you don't have to wait hours for the generation process. It's very fast. To be honest, I regenerated some videos because I didn't get the exact results I was looking for. So I regenerated them to achieve higher quality and better consistency for the full video. Now, let's watch the final result.
Yes, yes, yes. Come on, come on. Last level. I've been stuck on this for 3 days. Today is the day. What the? Hey, why is the power flickering? Not now, man. I was literally about to finish this. भाई, ये कैसा तूफान आ गया अचानक? What is this? This wasn't in the game before. Whoa, why does it feel warm? Okay, this is not normal. This is definitely not normal. No, 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 no! Wait! What is happening? Ah! Somebody help me! Okay, just breathe. You're dreaming. You're definitely just dreaming right now. Or maybe you're not dreaming. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Ugh, ow, ow. Where am I? This is not my room. I'm in the game. I'm actually inside the game. That is a dinosaur. That is an actual dinosaur. Don't move. Don't breathe. Don't even think loud right now. Please don't see me. Please, please, please. No, 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 no. Ah, get up, get up, get up. Why is this happening? Why did I touch that screen? Ow, okay, okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. So this is real. I'm actually inside the game. All right. How do I get home?
As you can see, the result is amazing. It looks like a Hollywood movie, not AI generated. Trust me, you can create even better videos than mine. With today's advanced AI tools, you can literally create anything. Higgsfield is offering free and unlimited generation with all plans, and right now they're running a special discount of up to 70% off. You get access to multiple AI tools in one place at a very affordable price. Honestly, using Seedance at this price is totally worth it, and on top of that, you get many other AI tools with unlimited generation. I'll leave the link in the description, so go check it out. And if you want to get free credits, make sure to check the description as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.